Hello, everyone. Good evening. So, I'm your agency unit manager. My name is Mary Jane Peña Flor, and Sofia Cabral is my executive assistant. So, we decided to go on live tonight so we can answer a few more frequently asked questions about MaxiCare products. So, tonight we'll discuss about my MaxiCare. Okay, so shall we get started, Pia? Okay. So what's the first question that we usually get?
Question number one is, ano ang may MaxiCare?
Okay. So my MaxiCare is a full coverage HMO. So as you can see here on my own website, hmo4filipinos.com, my MaxiCare is a full HMO program. So this is for not only for individuals but also for families. And it covers everything from inpatient, meaning confinement. It also covers outpatient checkups and laboratories, and also emergencies. What's the next question that we have?
So, next question is, ano po ang coverage and benefits ni may MaxiCare?
Ayun. So, I've already mentioned a little bit of that. So, again, with the My MaxiCare product, it's almost the same as a company HMO. If you've already had MaxiCare with your company before, just like me, I used to work in a company and their HMO is MaxiCare. Then, My MaxiCare will give you the full coverage. So, that's from complete outpatient care, so that's gonna cover outpatient checkups and laboratories. So my MaxiCare will ensure that you can get regular checkups to monitor your health, so we can detect sickness early on and prevent it from getting worse. Second is it allows you to have emergency preparedness. Why? My MaxiCare covers emergency fees, doctor fees, laboratories and procedures, and even medicines that are medically necessary while you're in the ER. Third benefit is inpatient care, which means confinement. So with My MaxiCare, it covers inpatient room confinement, doctor fees, laboratories and procedures, and also medicines that are medically necessary while you're in confinement. And also, it already have an annual checkup. So annual checkup is very important again for us to make sure that we are staying healthy and we're able to detect any issues early. So we can also, get the medical help that we need early on. So now, this also have an optional benefit, which is the dental coverage. So you can have it added to your account. So you can have unlimited tooth extraction kung gusto nyo yun. Unlibunot ng ngipin. And then also pasta for yung mga butas sa ngipin natin, and then dental cleaning.
Okay. So, for our third question, we have, ano po ang pinagkaiba ng mga plant types under my MaxiCare?
Okay, thank you for that, Pia. So I think you're able to explain this one to our viewers. So go ahead.
So, we have, sa may MaxiCare, we have 4 different plant types. So, ang pinagkaiba nila ay yung room and board and then yung maximum benefit limit nila. So, for Platinum Plus, we have large private for room and board, and ang maximum benefit limit niya ay 250,000. For Platinum naman, regular private yung room and board niya. Tapos yung maximum benefit limit naman niya ay 200,000. Then for Gold, ang room and board ay regular private. Same siya kay Platinum, pero ang MBL niya or yung maximum benefit limit ay 150,000. Then yung last na plan type is si Silver. Si Silver, meron siyang semi-private access na room. Tapos ang maximum benefit limit niya naman ay 100,000.
Alright, thank you for that, Pia. Na-master na niya yan, yung pag explain ng mga plan type. So, just to clarify with you, yun pong maximum benefit limit, hindi po yan yung babayaran natin, ha? Kasi before, may nag-inquire sa akin and she or he was surprised. Sabi niya, ay, ang mahal po pala. Sabi ko, ay ma'am, hindi po yan yung limit. I mean, hindi po yan yung babayaran. Yan po yung mako-cover. And what it means by maximum benefit limit is it's per sickness per year. So you may encounter some HMO that has what we call annual benefit limit. So for example, if you have the Platinum Plus account, if it's under an ABL or an annual benefit limit card, it means consumable yung 250,000 on all of the sickness or all of the medical availments that you have for that year. Unlike with My MaxiCare, it's maximum benefit limit. So you have, for example, with Platinum Plus, you have 250,000 per sickness per year. So kung may 10 ka mang sakit, as long as it's not pre-existing, you have 250,000 per sickness per year for all those illnesses.
Okay, so next question ay, who can apply for my MaxiCare?
All right. So about that, let me share as well another screen here so I can further explain that properly. Okay, hold on. Okay. There we go. So actually, for My MaxiCare, as I mentioned before, it's almost like your business account, right? A business company account. The people who can apply for My MaxiCare are the following. So whether you're an individual, meaning you're single, you don't have any dependents, or families. So of course, families can be your parents and your siblings and you, or you and your spouse and your children, as long as the ages are from 5 days old up to 60 years old, you can apply for My MaxiCare. Okay, now there are certain categories or certain qualifications. So if you want to know more whether you are qualified under the family account for My MaxiCare, don't reach out to us so we can let you know on which category you will fall into. Okay, so we can also provide you the correct pricing for that as well.
Yeah. So, thank you for that. Ang next nating question ay, how to apply naman for my MaxiCare?
Okay, good. So, nasa application part na tayo. This is my favorite part. No, just kidding. So, if so far yung mga ine-explain namin, it's still not as clear as to what are the coverage or you need more details about My MaxiCare. Of course, before applying for it, make sure that you fully understand. So make sure to reach out to a MaxiCare agent before you apply. But yeah, here's how to apply for it. It's actually just 4 simple steps. So of course, first you look for a legitimate and reliable MaxiCare agent. That's the first thing. Second is you just need to fill out an application form and submit the requirements. Now, as far as the requirements, you don't need to have medical. So medical is not required. And then for individuals, you just need to provide your valid ID along with your application form. And then for family accounts, that's where the requirements may vary. So, of course, if you are applying for your spouse and your children, you will need to provide the marriage certificate and the birth certificate of your children. Now, if you're applying for your parents and your siblings, then you need to provide your birth certificate and their valid IDs. Okay. And then third is you just need to wait for the approval and the statement of account. That means you don't have to pay right away. You still have an option to um, prepare for the payment. So all you need to do is to apply first and then wait for the approval and the statement of account release. And that's when you can pay your plan. And after that, once you're issued with an official receipt, okay, then you can use the card after 7 days. So ganun po kabilis gamitin ang My MaxiCare, which is um, imagine on day 7, you can already use the full benefits of that. So, yeah, thank you.
Yan. So, ang next nating question ay, ayan, how to know if you're talking to a legitimate MaxiCare agent? So,
Okay.
importante yan. Legit check.
Yes, and that's a legitimate question as well. So, here's one way that you can know if you're talking to a legitimate MaxiCare agent. So, of course, MaxiCare has an official website. It's www.maxicare.com.ph. And they've also added a special page there wherein they listed all of their accredited sales representative. Okay? So, in times like this where sobrang dami na ng mga scammer, you really have to do a legit check, right? So as you can see, my name is flashed in this website, and this is the official website, maxicare.com.ph. Pangalawa, you may also want definitely to consider checking reviews, right? So most of the time, your agent should have an online presence because we do our sales mostly online. So that's one thing that you may look for. Do they have a Facebook page or a website or something that will allow you to see whether they're active in social media or not? And then the next thing is if they have positive reviews from their clients. So I wanted to show you the reviews that I have on my own Facebook page. So let me share my screen again. All right. So, okay, here. So this one is actually not showing everything. I have at least 6 reviews available on my Facebook page, although right now it's not showing because the rest of the reviews are in friends only privacy. But for those for my clients that have given me a public review, as you can see, right, they they don't hesitate to leave a positive review for me, because I was able to assist them in their application process. So that's one thing that you want to look for from an agent. And always remember, most of the time you don't have, well, actually, not most of the time. Now, you won't have to give any money to your agent. All of the payments, especially for my MaxiCare plans, comes or goes directly to MaxiCare. So there are only 3 ways that you should pay your My MaxiCare statement of account. So the first one is through the MaxiCare online payment link, which is also available on the website www.maxicare.com.ph. So if it's anything but that domain, then pwedeng mag-doubt kayo. Pwedeng hindi siya legitimate. Pangalawa, you can do a bank transfer, but of course only transfer to MaxiCare bank accounts. And then third is bills payment. So that's also under MaxiCare Healthcare Corporation. In that way, you can prevent yourself from getting scammed. Okay?
Yan. So, proceed tayo sa next question. Next naman ay, are pre-existing conditions covered?
All right. That's a very good question. I really love discussing this with my clients. So, kasi ako, I prefer that you know all the facts first before you apply. So both of us will not have any issues moving forward. So when it comes to pre-existing conditions, as we all or some may already know, most HMOs may no longer cover pre-existing conditions, or you may have to wait after a certain period, except if it's a company HMO, because most of the time they do have an option to cover pre-existing conditions on day one. Now, for my MaxiCare specifically, okay, because we have multiple MaxiCare products. For my MaxiCare, pre-existing conditions are covered on a limited benefit limit. So I'll take as an example the Platinum Plus. As we mentioned earlier, if you have the Platinum Plus, it's for 250,000 per illness per year, except for any pre-existing conditions. Why? During the first year of your membership with My MaxiCare, the coverage for pre-existing condition is only for 20,000 per pre-existing per year. Okay, so what does that mean? Meron kasi si MaxiCare dalawang categories ng pre-existing. So we have what we call the dreaded pre-existing condition. So that's usually those that are life-threatening or requires long-term medication. And then we also have the non-dreaded pre-existing condition. Now, if your pre-existing falls under the dreaded pre-existing condition, then the coverage under My MaxiCare will stay at the limited MBL of 20,000 per pre-existing per year. Now, if your pre-existing falls under the non-dreaded pre-existing condition, then it's only limited on the first year, and then upon renewal, it will be covered up to the full MBL, which for Platinum Plus is 250,000. Now, whether you have a pre-existing condition and whether it's dreaded or non-dreaded, um, only MaxiCare medical team can classify or diagnose that. So that's the only difference when it comes to having a company HMO.
Ayan. So, ang next natin question ay madalas ko siya nakikita or nababasa online sa mga groups. So, ano siya? What is Dr. Anywhere app?
Okay, so what is Dr. Anywhere app? I actually love this app. So Dr. Anywhere app is, from the word itself, an application that you can download from Google Play Store or App Store, and you can talk to different doctors, even those that have specialization. For example, cardio or derma. So I always use Dr. Anywhere app. So again, if you download it from Google Play Store or App Store, you can do a video consultation with a doctor. Now, is it covered under My MaxiCare? Yes. So that's one of the good thing about having the My MaxiCare plan is it allows you to have convenience as far as getting yourself checked by a doctor. Kasi you don't have to go to the hospital or clinic all the time. If you prefer, for example, you're just having a simple cold or cough and you don't really want to go to a doctor or a physical location right away, then you can just call using your Dr. Anywhere app. As long as you have linked your My MaxiCare membership, then you'll be able to have a consultation there with the doctor of your choice, and they usually would give you prescription. They will even give you request for laboratories and procedures if medically necessary, and they will even provide medical certificates if needed. So it's a really convenient way to get yourself checked right away if needed, and in the convenience of your home.
Ayan. Super, super ganda ng Dr. Anywhere app. Super, convenient for the members ni MaxiCare.
Yes, suki ako ng Dr. Anywhere.
Gamit na gamit.
Yes.
So, ayan. Ang ating last question na nandito ay, I am resigning from work and I want to continue my MaxiCare. Is that possible?
Okay. So, we're not saying mag-resign ka na ha, but maybe this is the sign. I'm just kidding. So, for those na magre-resign na, I know most of you, especially hearing that with the My MaxiCare individual and family plan, merong limit yung pre-existing compared to company HMOs. Most employees that are resigning from their company would like to know if they can continue their MaxiCare plans, right? Well, actually, I have a good news for you. MaxiCare now have what we call the MaxiLink program. So, what is the MaxiLink program? If you apply within 30 days from your resignation from your company, so for example, nag-end ang iyong MaxiCare coverage that is paid by your company, let's say June 1, you have 30 days from June 1 to apply for My MaxiCare, whether that's individual or family account. In that way, mako-continue in a way, mako-continue po ninyo yung coverage nyo for your pre-existing. So what does that mean? If you choose to apply for the gold plan under the My MaxiCare, instead of your pre-existing having a limit of 10,000 per pre-existing per year, hindi na niya ifa-follow yon because you will be enrolled under the MaxiLink program. So your pre-existing will also be covered up to 150,000 per sickness per year, as long as you are able to enroll within 30 days. Para nga we are able to um, inform MaxiCare that you would like to apply for the MaxiLink program, which is very helpful kasi imagine, hindi na malilimit yung pre-existing ninyo just because you resign from your company and you are applying for an individual and family account. So if this is you, you can let us know so we can help you with that as well. And I think that's it for today's session. Tama ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Think list of questions natin.
All right. So now, if you have other questions that you would like to be answered, we're planning to do this more often, maybe every Wednesday at the same time. So if you have questions that you would like to be answered on the next live, leave it on the comment section or just send us a personal message or a DM because we're active in social almost 24/7. So, ayun, magre-reply naman kami sa inyo if you have questions. Don't hesitate to let us know, okay? So, thank you for your time. Again, I'm MJ Peñaflor and you are?
I'm Sophia Cabral.
All right, and have a good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.